皆さん、こんにちは. Here we are today, again in another video. And yet again, I bought a Japanese learning game on Steam. So you don't have to, and you can try it out with me and how it is. In this case, I don't remember. The last that I tried on was the Learn Japanese to Survive or something like that. The katakana version. And that cost me, but I actually bought a pack. I bought the hiragana, katakana, and kanji pack, but I only could use katakana because my computer is quite new. Or some problem with that. And that was, I think, €4. In this case, this one is the Influent, but I will leave everything in the description of the video. In the case of this one, it actually cost me more. It cost €10. So it is a little bit more expensive. I don't feel like it's expensive though, like it's, it's a game, it's a good price for a game. But yes, we will try it out today. I didn't open it like I did also last time, so I have no idea what we are here. We will be doing here, and I have no idea what to expect. But I actually read very good reviews of the game, so let's try it out together. Okay, let's go. As you can see, it's Influent. What it's called. Let's search Japanese and begin. Okay, I'm not doing anything. The game alone is doing it.
Hey, Firestarter. My name is Andrew Cross, and I'm an independent inventor. Recently, I developed an awesome handheld language learning device known as the Sanji Genji 10. I brought my prototype to a major technology corporation, and things were really taking off. That is, until somebody stole it! But that's okay, because I'm here to prove the Sanji Genji 10 is my invention, and I need your help. Over the course of this campaign, I will demonstrate the effectiveness of my device. And to do so, I hereby vow that I will learn 100 words. Wait, make that 200. No, 300 words in a foreign language.
Okay.
Don't make me go to 4. As I learn, you can follow me right here on Firestarter. Join me as I learn my first few words right now. My device can scan real-world objects using state-of-the-art technology.
It looks kind of cool.
That only I understand. It can then determine the name of that object and teach anyone how to say it in any language. But more importantly, my device even saves vocab lists, allowing those seeking mastery of a language to challenge themselves. If we manage to raise more than enough to cover all the lawyer fees, as a stretch goal, I'll even develop a remote control spaceship that works in conjunction with the device. It'll have a sweet paint job and
okay, so I think we will be scanning on the room, and we will be pressing something and learning it in Japanese. What I don't know if it's actually teaching us how to read, but I doubt it. But yeah, let's go. But for now, it's looking good. I have to say, it looks kind of cool. Did you know much of Influence development was founded on Kickstarter? Okay. Welcome to Influent. My name is Chip, and I will be your guide. Follow me over here. So what? With the mouse? Okay. This is the hint box. Hide or show this with F1. Okay. Or hit the... Okay. Continue. So we are trying to move the character, but it's kind of froze, I think. Okay. Let me put this a little bit lower. Okay. Easy to move. Like, click or drag with either mouse button or rotate the camera. Okay. Okay. Ah, got it. Plan B, press tab for... Okay. Right click to open the doors. Click anything. Double click on object for more info. Add 10 words to your vocab list to unlock tag mode. Every 10 words forms a new list. Text mode hotkeys. Use the R and F keys to toggle between the modes, okay? Press shift to crouch. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of things. If you can master 50 words, you might find it worth your while. Got it. Okay, let's try this out. Okay. I don't know if it added... Okay, that's very specific. So for now, you know, I really like it, but I know there was some kind of menu. I think I didn't read it enough. So for now, my opinion for now, this is very this is awesome, I have to say. The thing is, for example, here, it doesn't specify, say that medamashi toke, it means like the one that is the alarm clock, like this one, right? But you could think that's just clock if you have no idea. Or here, kagitaba, this means like group of keys, no, but not only key, you know. Well, ketai, cell phone. Okay, I should add those, right? What? I don't know if I added. Okay. Aircon. That's fun. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm not very good at moving this thing. I have a laptop, so you know. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, so I think I should have said play now. Okay, oh. So this would be my list, right? Yes. Okay. You do have a place where to, you know, where you can check the word in English. Alarm clock. Okay, good. Great. So if the game is just that, I'm still very happy about it. You know, it doesn't teach you how to use the words, at least for now, but it's a very awesome way to, you know, learn the vocabulary or to practice it. In my case, I kind of know everything, so I don't know every word in Japanese, of course, but basically most of them, of the house, I do know. Oh, stop now. Hello. So it does repeat words, like in this case it said hon again. Hon. Oh, that's good. So let's check out the house. Oh man, I'm bad. Isn't there another way to change this? So as you can see in the top part, I have like a counter. So let me add 50 words and let's see if something happens. Oh, that's hon again. Okay. Continue and play now. Oh, okay. Let's try this. The fly mode. Locate words in your vocabulary list quickly. Okay. So, do I need to search the words that I learned? Oh. 失敗した. I failed. The thing is, my controls are kind of bad. Because I'm doing it. 失敗. I'm doing everything with the mouse pad, so it's kind of annoying. Come on. Okay. So I did everything on this room, kinda. Does it go like this? Ah, okay, I think I need to, let's say attack the words that I have here. Let's try if it's... Ah, really? Oh, that's annoying. Yeah. Did I do it or what? Why can't I fly and it doesn't help for anything? Ah, my god. Well, I suppose there is a better way of playing this. But yeah, in general, this game is very cool. Like, if your goal is to learn vocabulary, I think it's a very good idea. Yet again, you will not be able to use it. But yeah, it's a very cool idea. But well, we will leave it here today. It's very fun, in my opinion. This is good if you want to learn vocabulary. 100% very cool. Actually, I'm also learning Hankokugo right now. I'm also learning Korean. So because I bought the game, I can put the Korean DLC for free. So I kind of will do it right now. And I will try it out in Korean. So thank you very much for watching this video. I see you in another one. Mata ne!